There's the club, you see? There's no club over here.
Right here. Chair.
Just it? That's
Yeah.
it?
It's huge.
Really?
It's pretty. It's like
Get the large.
large.
Ayan ang menu rito.
Mura, ano?
Yeah. They're vegetarian too? My golly. Go.
Can I just have the beef?
Can I get a 47 please? This place,
Yeah. Bida ang saya. Ha? Sabi yung pangalan ko. Dito tayo kakain. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna drink with it. I thought you were gonna drink with it. I was like,
Ibang restaurant yung nabila nila. Ayan.
My ticket. I'll see you, okay.
Ayan yung order natin.
no, I mean the tickets are paid.
Soup rider?
Right here, thank you.
Rider, how special.
You'll drive. We'll drive over there, and then you'll show the ticket, and you'll show over there. So she'll be the chaperone for us instead of you being in concert.
Oh, she's gonna pay for the ticket.
Oh no, she can't take it.
No, because the ticket's already paid, so there's 4 people.
I know, but she's gonna pay me back. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
If she wanna go, we give.
But you're mad, brother.
Phone? On my phone?
Can't be screenshot.
Pwede, pwede. Ewan. Tanungin natin.
I got whiskey.
Hey!
No, this one.
What happened?
Good,
2 days prior.
41A?
Trying to get.
I have pretty way.
Which one is this?
Here. Alright. That's mine. Ooh-wee. Perfect.
Woo-wee.
Hey!
It's cold. It's just a barcode.
Yeah.
I got it already. I'm just gonna scan it.
If it's shown like that, but then it says like expected delivery at
No, you see that one? All near the reader.
Oh, because you have Ticketmaster.
I need to be there.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, that's the only time you'll be there. Is that fine?
Huh? Alright, there,
I'll
bowl.
figure it out and then I'll ask and then I'll
Like,
go to you
going
guys.
in. It's scary.
Oh, Lulu.
Oh yes. Oh my gosh. So good.
Shout out to you, Vincent.
Yes. Getting his food.
Just grubbing. I want to play Cookie Run. I'm looking at the going my god. Yes.
Grace, stay here already? Grace, you live here now?
See that food?
Shrimp, shrimp fish cake.
Dipped in what though?
Dipped in.
I mean, used to be nice.
Dipped
Then,
Dipped in what?
What's the dip?
Yes.
shrimp fish cake.
Oh, you smart.
Did Delina already finish their food?
Filipino burrito?
Where does it work? No, not Filipino burrito.
Yeah,
What?
she does piercings.
How about the nurse?
That one rich, that one rich.
How about the nurse? Yeah.
Yeah,
She doesn't want to be nurse no more?
I'm a nurse.
What the heck?
But,
Not your fault, man. At least it's hard, right? Yeah, what do you call that? She has a fallback, right? Nangyayari ka good. Hindi naglalig na lang. Dati enough siya. Ay, ako mo yun na siya. Ngayon na. Oh.
Like my boss. No. That's on hospital dinner. The one who put Botox and everything.
Kaya ang dami.
That's a lot of money to spend. Oh, she's not. She can pay for it, right?
The action right here. This food is toe curling right here.
We can't even see it. Oh, no, we can't.
This food, toe curling.
You're wearing safety goggles.
It's squash on you.
From the start, okay. Okay, I can go. What's the start? 6 o'clock, we need to be there by 10.
Really?
I'll start it for you guys and then
Look at the back. Start the
go
show.
home. Walk.
Wow!
Sound effect.
No, I'm gonna use the sick for December. Oh, 2 more left.
Bro.
Why don't you like go up?
More, Julian.
This is what we can do with the dog.
You done? What is on the video? Oh, why?
I want a fun drink, you know.
Go to Richard.
Here, what fun? Here, like what fun drink do you want? There's this place in. It was like Devils and Angels.
Ay, go.
Devils and Angels. Did you grab it on mustard?
Bring it back up. Yum, mama.
Hey. Put it in your dad's hand. And then when he eats, put it on slow-mo. I'll put it on slow-mo.
So cinematic.
What's your favorite?
Huh? Yeah.
I'll give you all the beef.
I got special, the house special one, everything.
Wow.
Everything. Let's wrap. It's
Lettuce wrap.
I love it. Lettuce wrap.
Not wrap.
Matagal na yung ito. Wala.
Lettuce splash chili oil in your eyes.
For what?
Where do I have water? I don't have water. Ano ka na yun?
What was that deep? But it ain't here. There's no barbecue here.
The Filipino barbecue.
Pass it over. Pass it to Kevin. was so funny. Kevin.
Kevin's not here.
He's always lost.
What's your favorite Kevin?
You're Kevin.
You're Kevin.
Nice little song.
Eh, mamaya. Bida dito. No. Ba tayo?
Hati tayo.
Yeah. Mamaya pagka ano, doon naman tayo sa kabilang ano. Stage. What happened? Food coma? Ang hatol.
That was king energy.
Man wins. How about you, Vincent? Top out. Top. What the white flag? Hindi pa sa Josephine. Ay maghahalo-halo kay Ima. Subukan natin si Ima. Ngayon.
Nandiyan ka na pala.
Ano ito naman sa Josephine?
Hindi mo ka tinawa.
Ha? Hindi, maghalo-halo nga kami.
Bibili nga kami.
Hindi, isa lang.
Ate kami.
Nasaan? Yung ginagawa? Ayun. Oo, okay. Ima, paka nyaman-nyaman may main ka na akong halo-halo. Kaya ka nyaman-nyaman ng ima ko. Yun. Nagulat nga kami eh. Akala ko pa tig-isa kami eh. Wow. Yun na nga. Dalawa pong kutsara. Yan. Salamat po. Ay, pakibaba na lang po dyan. Ayun, Prep, kunin mo. Kunin mo yung baso. Kunin mo yung baso sa atin yun.
Daddy, patay ko.
Laki pala po ito. Dito lang yan sa tawag ito. Ayan, ayan. Ay, nahulog yan. Woohoo! Dan 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 dan. Ito po donated by Nimpa Kunanan.
Gusto ko pala halo-halo na. Wala yan sa...
Donated by Nimpa Kunanan.
Daddy, haluin mo yan. Paano natin haluin? Haluin mo yan. Mapapahiya tayo dito.
Ayan po ang nag-donate ng pagkain natin ngayon.
Hindi. Haluin mo yan, Daddy. Pag ako naghalo yan, mahuhulog lahat yan. Paborito ni ano yan, Tony. Oo. Nandun sila. Dito mo mag-halo-halo rin? Ayaw niya. Lagi na kami nandito. No? Halo-halo na kami. Halo-halo na.
Dessert tayo, dessert.
So, tinitignan ko kung may matatapon. Pag ako dyan, nahulog na lahat ng laman. Hindi ako pwede naghahalo pag ganyan umaapaw. Ang sarap po, punta sila ng Korea. Pag nga umuwi ako, magtuturo ako ng Asia.
Eh, gusto sana talaga nila, Thailand. Kasi earthquake.
Safety yun. For safety.
Maganda rin naman sa Pilipinas.
Nabiyak talaga yun.
Pilipinas nga, ang daming mapupunta.
Hindi mo mauubos.
Hindi mo maubos ang islands doon.
May El Nido. May El
Puerto
Yupa.
Princesa.
Ang dami doon. Baguio. Eh kami dati, lagi nasa Baguio dati. Mas marami sa Pilipinas. Nakita ko na yung sila. Nakabili na ba? Parang wala na magdala. Wala na magdala.
Dadali natin tong halo-halo saan? Sun Valley Mall. On the way na tayo.
I like the new, what's it called? Bombshell. She's so bad. She's so bad. And she's nice, dude. I like jumped from my seat when I saw her. The male. Bro, I saw like the video of his like frat brothers like. I saw that too. To him being that's hairline. Oh, that's TJ's hairline. I love the new Bombshell.
Yung community college. Yan yung sinabi ko eh. Eh, parang hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. Hindi nga. Kaya parang, eh di ba lagi kami doon sa Libre? Siyempre, mas maganda yung ano yun. Yung mall.
Okay. Aura.
Ayun. Ayos ha. Mula tayo. Right. Showroom pala ito. Ganda ng hallway, parang airport. Yun. Chucky! Or Sun Valley Mall. Skylight. Build-A-Bear. tayo. Pila sa mga bobahan. Mainit.
Mickey, come over here.
Tirahan na ng prutas. Mexican. Ayan, tatlong Maria. Yan, libre rin ang magpapintura ng mukha. Yan si Bataglia. Cinnamon Rose yan. The gang. Busog-lusog, turistang gutom, signing up. So muli pagkikita. Param, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Alright.